check it, check it. That beat is real. Don't will make it kill ya. Get your green select glucometer and check it. Sugar level, check it. Check it. Green select glucometer, check it. Push sugar level, check it. Reselect glucometer. Everybody check now.
This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Emre Dudu Nani etena ka mu kwanten akotonyo mabegu ye shop mu se wo benya ni nyina ofako enno so ya asem foforo wo so to mfa akosika swane ne mpatamu anase achimota lapa se kosinsawam. Jimmy Dale is your one-stop shop distribution for wholesale and retailers. Safa drinks, insure, enyane, anase ade bia wo pebia. So wo koton ko ade a ene bebia wo se wo tumwa eye Jimmy Dale. You can locate Jimmy Dale Ventures at Giga Junction inside Soto. Or call us now on 0208-920-996. Jimmy Dale Ventures, the official sponsor for Samiflex TV.
Are you an artist finding difficulties shooting your music videos due to financial situations, poor directing, or poor visuals? Then worry no more, because Kojokin Production, in collaboration with Flex Entertainment, are here to save your situation with a soft promotion package. From now till December, get a powerful top-class quality visuals to your music videos at a cool 2,000 Ghana cedis and the most interesting parties at your own choice of location. Won't pay we, now pay DN. For more details, just pick up your phone and call them on 0249817182. Get the best and a quality video. Are you an artist finding difficulties shooting your music videos due to financial situations, poor directing?
Alright, so you know that our business is show business. When we sit, we talk real show business and nothing else. Welcome to Samiflex TV. Welcome to King Tom TV. And we are about to do Showbiz Daily with a gentleman who ran the space, talking about those who are the field men, field marshals. Obviously, a head marshal, and I want me a field marshal. They run the field. For you to know everything that goes on in our showbiz space, give us just about 1 hour and some 30 minutes, and trust me, we will give you everything you want to know as much as show business is concerned. My name is Samiflex. Showbiz Daily is powered by Digital Rasta Currency, Richie Flex, Yaola PG, as well as Tina Baby and Gideon Neelam Tessin. And the gentlemen who are right here on the seat, they are virgins. Virgins from heaven. Yeah, man. So, Zola say you're a virgin. Zola the Pekra. In fact, New Year say Nema Kra on Penis Anima. Zola, not Lady Bishop from Holland. One would they?
Yeah, I think they are on me chatting.
Oh, okay. Oh, your number, and I'm say okay. And I'm cutting so don't worry until you bet you about. And then was that. Don't let him come away.
I really did go.
Nah, Zola, which now who is here? Mammy, so I said I won't be a home. So, yes, since I am Felix, say, girl, no, one. Now, no phone sex.
Phone sex, no course.
I see unsharing put that.
Yeah,
phone sex, Nana, as a year, your name will be Anna, girl, and ranty.
No course, 7 hours.
Meaning some course, so be a
girl, no course, 7 hours.
Oh, second in the back end meaning. Because according to our second,
girl, back end meaning.
Because this morning, I think I was watching a video from NIT FM. I will like your name, Abnam Wemuse, Zion Felix, girl, grown, sharing that.
I never find this.
Never find
Yeah, I was there, funny, because you do me when you're kind of great. Say if they only prove a screenshot, I just Zion a movie to the girls and another girl be movie to the end. Now voice note in India when they make people now Zion so money that. And they will say
but I screenshot enough because Zion December I know a lady who has sent me some screenshots purporting say or no Zion Felix did movie. In fact, we had a mutual.
Okay, so that's a screenshot and
yeah, yeah, man.
I'm out for a gem home in our room.
It's a screenshot enough.
No, screenshots and enough. And enough cry. Yeah, at least me say me yanka again better raw video news okay on me Zion your more damping. Wrong. My screenshot then even screenshot in crash say I can say process na ekoso as in says I on castle ba hon mo beti mama no 7 rounds na girl no so castle or bomb pie so we do UK ni ma so screenshot ni mo then enough but na beti me convince here am ya gi na girl no can na me say on send on my videos I just on Zion dampem this na pictures be actually obi to me show pictures be na nipa na okan ho asem ewo ni nchen yes o show pictures ni video you see ah e be die dey support o kra man na ni dey mo nye no because e bia I say Zion relationship e course ni tin omo be say omo dey yeah
I see Zola ni wa chechire mu kakra fine or say send yeah omutimi call 7 rounds on the phone there. Only God can tell. But I don't know what you also think about this. Let me also welcome man like Roland or Nanti for the first. Chairman Bakope. Now Zandi Kamel. One Nikunu. Bobodie.
As I my church for that. Zandi Kamel more issue in there. There's one thing that the mission free. Whether when they can occur and when they can occur. Next time we should be very careful the things we say, especially on social media. Because maybe what say ebia in ye fear mukran yen we say ye de be wa be gina bonten. Ebia Sebi mi kunu ma mi doggy o no abijina bonte mi kunu ma mi doggy o
I don't know kasa ni
I am just citing an example. So be ntimi mejina kwan mu nkasa o mi kunu ayi mi say if untimi mejina bedwe mu nkasa aniama na then you should know say when you come on social media and you make certain utterances it is just like you bringing whatever you do in your bedrooms outside on the street now body don't come now what don't come sanity. Until the next time when they are making such utterances, they should be very careful. And especially say akwaya dia wunu ho na emu wish say obedu ho no ma. To say internet say unye tintin a yensre akotia because ebia wo nwoye na sebe ohun bi a onanti otoguso and I say on always some level of deformity. Now you don't know what the future holds for you. Until next time when you are in the public domain making such utterances, we should be very, very careful. Because I believe say Nyamana now back in the days or Kanka as at that time any so the year amount for him. That is what has come back to bite her. That is what has come back to bite her. And Kayadi as that time no Sebi youthful exuberance or tone and boise. Now dream ko echire yi and not dream ko enim ehwe say onyame ya me bekin in the near future mpo say enye me mpo na ebe affect me a obi obe me say ebe kanipa na how will I advise such person and some of the utterances she made about side check near our phone and onye because that is the same situation I'm also finding them and people are using what she said against her. That is the irony of life.
I see. Okay, so my people are on the ground, very current with the issues ongoing. Now let me move on to Beef Nation President. No, me funny face line say see idea.
But say that's I'm patch up. Maybe I'm in no. Because of Zandi Kamel issue, I have seen instances where people are making some comments. Media misuse say and the way or more target man. Yes, some
target member.
Ena a member nyina ye cheat na member nyina ye cheat na ena men
smash a girl video say macras.
Yes, men we know that they will cheat. Miss Samu say meme bi no mo ji omo ho me na enye nyina
oh chen say ombedia too na problem you are
so mo bedia too no
enti okofana jari no nya de obe na ombe dia
enye nyina ebi mu na mo ji omo ho me na enye nyina because marriage material yeah wa edi awode there your past spirituality kokot etino yeah wa marriage material susu hwe me bra susu
oh my goodness oh the and to call yes man and to call the man in Paris me say man so men are cheat. Let's allow them to cheat. Even if you not cheat, you say when they say men are cheat, okay. Just don't cheat. I'll let them say. Any man want to so alright, so you heard it from Roland Amate, event guide, Showbiz channel, and more. Let me move on to the Nat Reagan. Now, Mr. say, yes, it is true. We've also read in the news that Funny Face finally has been granted bail. I hear some 20K and some 2 sureties. I'm asking, sir, in this case, which one is the law keeping in high esteem? Is it his mental stability or the arrest? The when pan as a see at the chrono because maybe things that a man in bills are funny face. I mean, yes, just somebody is even worried about his arrest too. Unless maybe you guys can tell me a different story. What people are really worried about is the mental stability. But see, I am money bill say, your money bill say on some coin dim. Meanwhile, our hospital or so on say, I see what test say or a bipolar. And are we not to take him to maybe another psychiatrist or some call more trainer? You see, a money bill some refugee, the phone is okay. Or sounds to go 5 million and about for
who could have the weapon.
I can say weapon of magic. What advice can you also give on this?
I think say we ain't for na public media. Yeah, that dream and say any mental
that dream
yes health and home town. The state media the arrest and then I
but why did they even arrest him?
For the threats no issue no the wife now I say
okay so and they arrested
yes nti it's Ghana ha no more and I say Funny Face fans and they sympathize with the mental health ni nyama o come say yenya kana ho atom you see a bipolar na so I confirm nti see they are annoyed. So basically about every 2 weeks. No, I can say bipolar.
Say yeah, no, nam ho yi
no. In fact, me put na mu no say bianco or that so aban semu a say be no onko remand we na can bianca the bipolar status na be increase. E be cost more. Nti eja ni say no na bia me ka say bi ebusuafo ne mo mani nkom na say aya na yare semu no. Like, that's
why I am recommending the psychiatric hospital for him still. That for them to leave him, say, because now what it means is that he will go to court again for issuing threats.
Say, brother, I buy in Sasum, or Mama Bill, into until say ever first say, I mean, just say I said that say okay, that's it. It be a court into between this time and that period, Ebusian Fono, a modest Inti mo so na ya rehwe mu ne ho keka on this is the period, this is the time. E was some mama ni ko no say dem be somebody ne call psychiatric hospital e dro bi na o some jema na pan bi ne wo say e bona this is the time o some ni na no ne maame mo ne ho na omo ben no ni sister na o je documents go
for bill no
what I say omo ni ko no na ye omo timi hwe ni na aban cannot I don't think aban can do much when it comes to health we know you understand and then you know as an individual in the bush and for asem aban no only comes in with the criminalities ne sa nyama na kakaka e no na aban ni betimi abemu until say bia ye better say KBS say no so be dan charity case ohia mmoa fancy kasem na bia ene ba omia mo beduru on temna omaka akopɛ 50k bi dia man maybe ono so dia akɔhwɛ no ebesisi die ebusuafo ne ebeserom de bia nkofo busa o yes am nyana nkofo busa na ebusuafo kra wen na ne mame wen na ne system a okotna peace fm ko didi kokuma enu atem no wen this is the time he say ye man bill die ebeserom baby also mo de ne fabi o mo fa na mfa se ne phone no so no mbegye fi ne nsem ne be ya omunjin fi ne nsem anase by na akra minim de funny face o ba be on social media at this point this period here we funny face on be show social media ti ne phone o mo pɛ kwan bi so no mo nje o mo pɛ yam bi emfa na sim card ne ship ene o mo be frɛ number send mu mu no ndi e ba o no abehu na ade me ye sure say why we nya bipolar na wa say won say yare situation e betimi treat ya ma ohun betimi atam o we do life
na matriti
abena wo de yeah understand na say our photo shoot
I've seen her with Father Dixie ne some executives of Despite.
Of course
I would not be surprised if next year she does something for them.
we be na
No, I'll not be surprised if next, because you see those people Despite for them. That's what they like. The obia beka ho asem na hey when you go na bay that is to them that's what they like.
Na man many TV3 for nya problem and no pamo lady. This is how most of us see you sene one for. This is how they work. Se see no say ochinebi that's why for be announce so we so and so presenter and then they ejuma se see I don't think say they are thinking about leading ya rare bipolar seminar. They are thinking about okay, obetimi amankofo akasa like people will talk about us. People will trends na keke na company na again also how they can tap into those numbers. But say ebi an bipolar ne beba ba ko bie ne nemu ama on hwehwe ya nkofo be ka say ada na girl lady ada na ebi efin be ba come on some brand dey edu ono mo dey ono dey pamu we yi ebi as that times no mo use would what your trend ne dey on pe no mo nya wi o so it is anya ma we no mo tu sa na mo bi o mo hwe ne yi o kire mo be kan say girl no bipolar e na akakọ ye nya ma bi am e ko against the corporate deben nya ho no ma be preach corporate laws a kire.
Thank you so much, Nana Reagan, for the intro. Now, you've heard the voices, you've seen the faces already. This is Showbiz Daily. Over here, we talk about all the 411s. And my pandas today, I have Nana Reagan, Roland Amate, as well as Zola Nie to do the show. Production team, Digital Rasta is leading the attack with support from Richie Flex, Emmanuel Oforila PG, as well as Tina Baby and Gideon Nilamtis. Let me give you this announcement that very soon on Sammy Flex TV, we are introducing another segment, a fresh content for you guys. I know you guys are enjoying the Celebrity Wahala. I get so many comments. People are really loving it. That is ongoing. More to come. But then, very soon, maybe today, tomorrow, or the next, we are introducing the Flex Court. The court is going to address all the issues in our industry and even beyond the industry. Behuna Akufo-Addo Nane Muhammad Nahana ye di o mase mo sa. Otumfo say tutu o take okoso nana wakasa. Na meaning say fix the country na emribi I etwam. Most of the young guys in Ghana decided say we are going to campaign fix the country, fix the country, fix the country. I don't know if we can now hit our chest to say that the country is gradually being fixed. And now say we are on the way of fixing the country. Otumfo-Addo has spoken. What he's saying is simple. Say when him say, "Oh, Kumasi, I'm the mahumbe breeder." I've gone to Kumasi. I've met some people around the palace. Mahumbe breeder. Ubehu omoka na omode sticker bi. Abo animba bi ayende insurance ne na se for the bon. Na omode abo around bi na amachro 24 the palace Mansia Palace. Aha. no matter Manshia Palace as a sticker. So what it means is that when you see that sticker on a car, they want to tell you indirectly that don't touch it. This car is coming from Otikoko so for his palace, therefore don't touch it. In fact, especially in Kumasi. Now Nana has spoken. Nana has spoken. He says no one is above the law. Even he is not using the sticker. How much more you are going to use his face to claim funds? Nobody should even try this. There's a video to support this. Then when I come back, I ask my people, say, hey, are there information I call? Are we now seeing some fear and maybe respect? Okay, no, let me use fear. Let me correct it. Are we now seeing some respect for rules and regulations in Ghana now? We will discuss this. Let's watch this video, listen to 2462 talking, and when we come back, we will do the analysis.
Menshia yema ubia bibi so mfanta na ke no ni gina na wakaso den. Menshia yema ubia bibi so mfanta na ke no ni gina na wakaso onyina. And a proceed so na national safety men kan chem say mama obi krata bi nti mama nche no. Mo che no ma na ye. Kan chem sa. Nti no so no so obi dey boy po fa krata bi obi akọ betu akọ print no de me photo ata. Na me photo no e license I was say manoko. Tabi moche no wie monche no na ba na sa meka na neta ho zam bebusam na meka sa ne na moka na enya meka no obi ka meka so photo nta ho ana meka photo ta na me meka photo nta ho no obi de ta so o free mention na ma license moche no ma ne ye.
All right, perfecto, correcto. Roland Amate will start this discussion. So I'm asking that, are we now seeing signals of Fix the Country results and then I start eBay? Because on a real, I'm not sure someone forced Nana to come speak like this. Nobody can even force him to come speak like this. But maybe he feels, okay, the country should be in order. Or see a more respect for laws. And now people should come out and say what is right and what is not right. So number one, and I think that ultimately faster can be more because more Manshia Palace staff. There is no staff for all sticker beer. Nana sticker beer anymore. In fact, I'm even reading or hearing that one member of parliament, I think Medina MP or so, yes, sorry them. Or two that was you. You are you can say I hear he was arrested at the police station. Ghana, like, how can this happen? Like, arrest an MP in public space? Never. Bro, are we seeing results now? Fix the country.
But before I make one announcement, I think we are in the early days of even November.
Good.
The best we will be going for events. Some will be traveling here and there. Yes, the roads are not too safe, as we know. In TNA, we should be very careful, especially when we ply those routes or some of these roads. We know just over the weekend, I heard of some gory accidents here and there.
I heard some bus composed.
Yes, which were not too pleasant.
Those times when you sit in the bus, I think I'm feeling safe. But now the buses are rather dying.
Exactly. Speaking of Otumfuo in a cars, I am just using Yemenfa Winchim. We all should be very careful. Now back to Otumfuo issue. Yes. Fix the country. And preaching for the country to be fixed where institutions to start functioning. And now preaching. And the fact that people will have respect for the rule of law. Almost where your man said they will enforce these laws, they will do and do it right. And what Otumfuo ama many ajibebre because you will chroma say na for even creative profiles online of prominent and big people. And do amount for.
Yeah.
It is no different from what Otumfuo said. Because say now most of these cars you who will chrome be brave. And no be the sticker tire. hey, I know be stick at. So just like people using some of these people's profile online to dupe and just do anything that is not right. No? I think it is the same thing that Otumfuo is preaching against. And the fact that Onuakoye leader, no, it is very easy for people to use his name or his image or brand to do mischief.
But he's a huge authority.
Exactly. And we know sometimes the way some of our security service hold some of these people in high esteem. Who say V8 ba, it is hardly say ube who say ya police near parky V8 ewo kwan.
In fact, Ghana okita car kesi ya open na police chief.
Exactly.
Like omo ujina wa no pe.
What now call? Nanya stick atare. You see, ni nyina ka people are just taking advantage of some of these little opportunities just to misbehave. You never know who is the right person or nipan you're correct I would deal with. Ebi mpani yasman from Menshia. Fair enough. It doesn't who police ni who jinano now verify say oh true this person is a staff or yasman from Menshia. It doesn't stop anything. It is just a phone call away. It is just a phone call away. And to me, I think that the advice is in the right order. And yet, fix the country, no. Afe answer, ye who say, ye nam kwanya swa, ye fix the country, no. Because recently, the security service has, Omama ye who say, now some of these people are not in say, oh, quote and unquote, omo ye untouchable or above the law, no. Even Emrana Krani or Moody.
Yeah.
One are celebrities. Two are some of these MPs. Until say
and three men of God.
Men of God. Say who sanyama we are, then we know it's okay. Even the people that we felt said they were untouchable. Some of these positions cry it me more looking some way somehow above the law na crown. If Omanka say to me you be shame then we should know say bia obi na kita some V8 be no di misbehavior. The fact that Otumfuo stick Katara account doesn't give you the license for you to misbehave on the road, because you don't only pose danger to yourself but also other people. Yes, on the road. Yes, it is a call in the right direction. I think that it is high time when put the achempo a check, because a man for decide we a misbehaving and and it doesn't only apply to Otumfuo. There are so many chiefs and kings ewo Ghana almost not only Otumfuo, almost more stickers and people are using their names and images just to misbehave. Obi go for boni bi ka betime yusu saade we no mu di boni ene or peka kese V8 bi no de nama. You have no right to yes obi antimi ngina no, because police na hu V8 na nkasa already wa emre e na oba o gina honom no tie ne no nso hu ya oh pass na mo ohu DVD ane ne
pack well
o say rasta
pack well the baba
o say rasta team crowd asem ne gu
bonus
and no who rasta pack in charge near friend in charge amount. So it doesn't only apply to big people as well. But said the moment etimi chi yenum be say ne then whoever you are no ebetimi nso mrabetimi no wedi.
Okay, Roland Amate, Event Guide Africa Showbiz Channel. Roland reports on Instagram. He has given us the opening discussion on this particular one. Otumfuo say to salute to you for coming out boldly to talk about the good and the bad in society. My NCNT also Oka on WhatsApp. The number on the screen is 0243514732. Same way, you can also be part of the discussion on YouTube Live, Samiflex TV. Remember to also subscribe and share with your friends. This is called Showbiz Daily. We do this every day. Let me go on to Zola. And Mr. say, fix the country, fix nana. And is he even expecting more institution heads? Tinanka Abia, Otumfuo said to Abeka say, you be one institution head from Swaba. And to see members no, wow, be Jimia, and Rane be found no, men Kokasu be my demonstration or be my BB. You have to go through the law. Should we encourage more of this thing so that everybody will know that, hey, now you have to be on the alert, especially our own people journalists. So the GJA president said that no one should put any press on their car. But no, my printing press fine. Almost share police one better press. We share police
press.
So, should we expect more institution heads coming out to speak this week?
Yes, Rasami, yes. I think the Otum for Niwayan is a step in the right direction because we've seen instances these big people who to your Mokas crime, Monday school guns.
Yeah. I think I agree.
Wrong. But you see, if your institutions will come out to be bold like Otum for area, especially with their security services. The police, the military, fire service. Most of them are using these stickers on their cars. Because they open a sticker carry the car. If any careless driving, be a police, be they call it be we get the army sticker, we get the police sticker, fire service sticker, immigration.
But police, more idea about
the same kind. Yes. So I wish say more of these institutions will come out. The pastors, most of your renowned pastors now walk through one. The bureaucrat cars are not even registered. They are not even registered, Razami. And then there was a time I think they
not registered saying
they don't even have number plate, not even talk of DV. DV Pombo.
Because registered is not your crime, sir. Say be a DV. And
but
no, I say, well, and say, who you free Ghana port. But say a bit more crowd.
There's been instances, I think, say in Kumasi. One of these renowned pastors, I think, so Billy Mosso. The boys be good days and Fumbi Okumas, and then their cars no more using now had no number plates.
Wow.
So how do you even trace them? And then Ubekomo, that person will know opinion you are buying more. If case near critical, no afraid. And then the car, so you can't even identify say this were the cars evidence and phone. But if Sanyo institutions will be sorry, it's your money opportunity for you now. For it to work in an issue because last time we've been in this country, there was a time I can say ambulances and now this almost we used to sirens
the lights,
even you can say member police for cramping yes unless more missions on the way. But how do you see? You see a young boy skit and a bench crying as siren need to traffic
oh brother the sir emergency light no I Google I see that thing often
just because of the sort of traffic. For it to work in any issue, fine. You will face the country error. You won't changes be with the security forces or more enforcing laws, no. But for it to work, if any 9-day wonder one day arrest me. Because with that siren thing, I be age for only 1 week. 1 week, you can't now. Once the police, the police patrol,
IGB cry, say, no one can say the traffic.
So if this you see for this thing to work a very difficult.
You sure?
Yes, a very difficult in a sense. You have say we call it says me call it police and we fronted this siren rules. There's no change because ABA or kita sticker ABA only sticker crying upon many stopping among your colleague no EID can't share no Monaco. So for it to work then the issue no so this fix the country agenda. But now I can say it's not about the institution. Institution is one regulate. So if you are wait my psyche aging, they also okay. You see, I am a colleague police in Ukraine within some phone crime. Last time maybe you Otum Faka, but Opa after all cancer after a week, yes, and cook must go with the name say, how much changes animal. Or more insurance and normal like proper stickers in Italy.
Instead of saying Nana Banshia.
But Mr. Non ever Santali be one brother. Because Nana came to even talk about the Galamsey Tineka said na here for Nupul. I was say
Amugusutu.
I don't know to make Amugusutu, but I was say we've not seen any development. Brother, so it's for it to work, it's na because this institution now, we are calling report it. Say Nana, our case is in Nipa way. Who knows? Say be one of the drivers say what Paris on them. Any police need and our new police need be very cool. And then Abia, some police in now all duty at that very time. Do you think so, Betino? This Nana case say more on chino. Or bomb home crime. And then how many of these police people have even heard this? And then is the police unit, the security service is going to call a conference or going to sit their people there and enforce it? To see how you're young, I will say a two. Is it going to be enforced? And the issue, most of the institutions might come out to say all these things, but for it to work, any issue, because Ghana.
Okay, so Zola is still doubting the system. My system, it acts like it is sleeping, but it is not sleeping. I need to tell. We're in the Asa Caribbean, or then my mother and Papa Peso, yeah, or the pillow that tells you, the Papa fan is up. That's why Zola is saying the system is behaving. Well, Mammy called another Reagan home, Mr. say, fix the country agenda. And no one, you're twice and none, and the baby has started free. Is it a good signal?
Of course, that's amazing. I think no amuna one and I said no one question. Set message, you know. Now, mudi in per se in penny form. Some clear message, and I think they are getting it because social media the security service in the grapple. More near these days now. It should tell you something. I am just hoping say the politician, the professional, let me say professional politicians would also get the message clear and then also act upon it. Now, some fancies I even bra. Make a win na my member Honorable Henry Court a shout out. Now, honestly, a politician, there are bad nuts, but also no ejuma oil and haunted. And you know, I say, also message in the way, and also the ya cry, I was here in Bonabaso. I think they will start a campaign. Clean your front. And then who say or they who pickups and I have branded pickups and then clean your front. And I'm a certain security people are. I think some of my to say me no really details the best from the look of things. Some of my bands said it's tankers. And they took our bedroom patemuna if you wire your you do call ya said fine be near fine now. Or Chinano best of it and I think it's a very good thing. It's a very commendable thing. I was seeing and I encouraging penny for now. I'm did the new maybe
a task force forecast now.
Yes, it's on social media. Oh, that be task force. More yet.
I get it. I get it.
No cars. I'm going to call around. I check it's okay. Campaign cost and I said, man, I share the crap and I said, Juma. I think it's very good. And the message we coming from Otum for now, so SM is a very strong message. Because once a lot of people are taking advantage of it. Be moody, moody didn't say Bunu or ye be building pans way or your form. But or this take an above to let's say we take away a boy can save me. Will be crab it maybe on no penna. Second no crap or your man be officially. But bet me up print be a man down for be challenge take away the boka one baby.
From the way Nana is speaking, as on Shadanya. On your official sticker for the Palizu.
Of course.
There is nothing like that.
Of course. In Tobacco, I make a book of Gabana, Menshia workers, no hand, no for Menshana, or my year, those things are more than none. Police for barriers, I would be Chomokobasa, send if I need the bonnet. So, yet, then police need to make checking. And for Nana to give this message to the security people, empower them. Yes. You see, you who nine your boy, you bet stop you. You bet check of course.
Yeah, because you want to fool the system.
Of course. Until I'm messaging about at the right time. In time, I will say, I try say, let's fix it, and also, it's me and my this message. I will me up to the room to say, or ma will be a second and you may share the license. Fully license and for fasting and more car on bank and coye and branches and most of my cancer. Rent to us. Now, dim brass. I think this is here. You penny phone in a percent car. Said an hour can I think the institution be a Emma and send a message be ma almost staffs near more workers and no more say. Okwa abonti kodi nsempunu na mra so mu.
You on your own.
Yes, enya afa ni ebe hashtag abe ye flyers ni ona wana bia ma. Ukodu bumra so ni ne wusi we bumra so wo se mra ni wudi. Se de be ya omo so mo wa ase no mo se eh na so for crap na mra ni wudi se ne wa ase aye ni kamafo ide. E wo se ye hwe ya bra bu mu ye, se hwe ya na mo ntu mu ye. So it's a very commendable thing. Ye be encourage institutional heads ni na obia. In fact, I am for now more voter than enough. We also sending the same message. They said you too for
complete here, you know.
One of
E-block.
E-block. Almost someone said maybe one. And you two for one that was sticker.
Yeah.
I'm fire sticker. Man.
Yeah.
Say some of these.
I am for a more baby.
I'm fire. Yeah. Maybe a mama. Who did do baby? I said so trip. Touching the pet. Hey, who don't saka? Yeah. You watch my nana. Yeah. Mras. Yeah. The mra kasabuma mra ni ejuma. Said the bear. Man koda no chile bi no be police van ko mo nyom adwuma yie Ghana de o de Ghana de okita we abetwam menja sakasa lemwa.
Beautiful. The breakdown is superb from Zola Nye, Roland Amate, and Nana Reagan. But what do you also think? Ujidi say and command Nana any is a media or security forces no and the right way and another who say it's just for the cameras now really and truly, because someone has told me that there is nothing like Kumasi ubeti me stop it me offer. Someone has told me that thing when you go to a culturally accepted community like Kumasi, you cannot stop it.
No.
Say me offer.
Say me offer anyway. What do me bone me offer also be ye kwa condemn me daddy. Obi said no, it will never die in Kumasi because with them culture is something they hold in high esteem.
Of course.
And to nya kan ga me offer ne and don't think now accept the day crampuna ya boss and offer the thing there.
Obeyedi. Enti na unhia, enti na ma otumfo asem na ya asem hia. Se ono a otumfo na etunu no mutu se the message is not just about stickers ne pe. He is sending a message to you down there say buko din sem hunu na mra so mu a. Or say mra no a police for ne e de mra ne ye juma pepepe. Enti wo also of Fabia after some of an opposition bi enti no akodi se sem hunu na wo fa ba bi charge wo. Onu wo fa ni mi onu na bia wo fa no so ebe hwe otumfo line bi say o me crap me ye say o me nhia enti me use sa powers ne dia ye say dia aka say we IGP jam say otumfo na ama message no wo fa so ebe ti otumfo a ono so betimi asene a similar message dia ma wo fa say okwa abonti enye say me kita position we enti no kwa ko be discipline no be anya discipline na o man no ye nye discipline kakra.
Okay, thank you, Nana Reagan. Yeah, moving on to our very next story. This is still Showbiz Daily. Remember, you are watching this Showbiz content right here on Samiflex TV. It is also showing on Kingdom TV here in Ghana as well. Remember, you can be part of the show by commenting via WhatsApp 0243514732 or live on YouTube where we stream this. You can also be part of the world discussion, be part of that discussion as well. Now let's move on to our very next story. This is coming from Black Sheriff Ekamp and Soraya Akasa. But what's the name Soraya?
Yeah, Soraya.
Munim no. The tough girl, the event girl. Soraya.
I think she's the former manager of EO.
Yes. Oh no, what my story way I babedi unkomo. Or say Black Sheriff took over Amrado's Abotre song. And Soraya Opare Riley is talking. Now listen to this. Event producer Soraya Mason has opined that Black Sheriff's verse on Amrado's lead single of his Patience EP was so powerful that it took over the song. According to her, she would not let a featured artist chorus. She would not let a featured artist chorus be the first thing a listener hears on a song. Let me read this line again. According to her, she would not let a featured artist chorus be the first thing a listener hears on a song. While praising the performance of Black Sheriff on the new single, she pointed out that the first song on the EP and Black Sheriff is the one on the first part of the song. I wouldn't arrange my music like that. Somebody is listening to somebody else's voice for the first 12 bars on the first song on your album. No intro or wording for me to know that it is you I'm about to hear. Soraya said this on Khaled Nee Boy's show on Star FM. It is called Showbiz on Star. Now she added another point. She reads, I read, I've spent the whole time listening to someone else. Black Sheriff took over the song. It is the first track. It is like my introduction into who you are. If you are going to put somebody else in the beginning, put a signature at the beginning. Put somebody there or put something there. Speak, make everyone know that this is you. And this is the point that I was so scared. That if you were to give this to a record label, and you were supposed to impress them in 30 seconds. When they press play, they would probably say, oh, that guy is so good, let's sign him. And then you'd come and say, oh, that's not me. Oh. That's not me. I have yet to agree. That is what Soraya is saying. Now, I believe Amrado's EP, everybody knows that it is out. He has been on Samiflex TV. We did a review on that. In fact, we'll be doing a whole review proper on the EP when he's done with his show in Kumasi. Soraya, who is an event organizer, is advising that what Amrado did, as much as the song is good, he did not help him. In the sense that, why do you allow, yes, so this is Soraya in your shot. Why do you allow a featured artist to start your song without any word, without any intro that shows that you are the one? She says that even when you go to a record label that, oh, I have a song, I want to play it to you, then the song starts, and oh, the guy is good. You are now coming to say, oh, this is not you. I'm sure this is what Soraya is saying. Oh, but he mentioned Amrado. I don't know if you guys heard it.
Yeah.
He mentioned it.
After 30 seconds.
No, it wasn't after 30 seconds.
Okay.
Zola, on our turn, my name
General
is Zola,
Becha.
starting Komori. And unfortunately, the EP, I'm not Diana, a friend of Patience EP, no. So I'm in the decline.
Yeah.
And you so at the moment, this song is the one doing very, very well on the EP. I hear it is topping charts on iTunes and stuff. Apple Music and charts. Now, I'm asking, sir, is Soraya making a solid point, or it can be overlooked? Because, yeah, you know, say, then cry, I'm rather there. And you decline, I'm rather there. But then if you listen to the song closely too, the moment the beat starts, you first hear Younger. But the Younger, I know someone will be asking, is it so strong to register him? And he came again with another ad-lib, Amrado. But that time now, Sheriff,
We're introducing another.
Brow. In fact, and also now pay attention.
Black one, yeah.
Yeah, so is there a point here from Soraya?
Yeah, Brass, I mean, very well noted points. I think in music, no, most of the time voices and our signature plays a major role. But you see, in most instances, when you are bringing out a project with an artist who is now or currently the eye of the nation musically, and then most of the time this is what you get. There's been instances that most singers are taking over rappers' song. That's if the rappers doesn't come in hard with certain punchy or certain street vibes in their rap line. C and AC. I can give you about 5 examples. Take Kwame Eugene, or Kwame Eugene, Captain Planet, Abodie Kwame Eugene. Kwame Eugene is dominating all these songs. This even Kwame Eugene and Sarko the Nanatu Yasu song. Kwame Eugene dominated all the songs. Most instance, this is what happens when you feature one of the hottest artists on your project. If you the artist, I'm making sure say like you come out with some street punchy lines, the street will relate to her. Forget, because Blacko is still using the street terms. Street terms from the first sermon, second sermon. Title ni Abotre. Abotre we all know falls in line with Blacko. Because first sermon, second sermon talks about his struggles. Talks about Nyema Biawakumu, Nyama. Amrado has struggled, but how many of us knows Amrado has struggled?
I don't know.
And now because how many of us? So you see that when you feature a singer on your song, it's worldwide. And then it's open research worldwide, Rasami. When you feature a singer, and then you don't come hard with these street vibes, Nisa kind of punching Yamana. Rasami, Ubeto will say the singers will always take over the song.
Soraya's main problem is allowing Blacko to start.
No, but even Blacko starting, Rasami, you're a rapper, he's a singer.
Yeah.
So a rapper starting a song for maybe a singer to even come in, you see this Abutre song here? If Amado had even started say Abutre like Baham's Black Sherry dominating. Because they were near trending this year, Abutre. Even video boy trending this year, Black verse and Kwan. So featuring a singer, and then not just any singer, but one of the hottest singers for within an era. That's this is what you see. And American, star called your friend is saying, Kwame Eugene, that political song, near Kasi political song. Kwame Eugene dominated. That's if when the rapper. Because when to me, say me a rapper, so he just come and do ad-lib on my song. You can do that, but you are looking for something. You are looking for the talkability. You are looking for the trends. Who person your album or your EP or your project? Who person will be him? And then what do you want to find? Marketing wise, Madu. Marketing wise, Madu. Because we are normal person, a lame person who team music makers anywhere Black would rather featuring Amado. Marketing wise, M1. But what was he even looking out for? Amado wanted.
He wanted to sell.
Yes, and then he's selling. But marketing wise, isn't Soria Ekano, Amado. But this is what happens most of the times when you feature a singer, hottest singer within an era, and they basically say until say rappers get their lines correct or maybe. No, it's simple. Because when you feature a singer within an era, that singer not hot, forget 2 punches. Obefa, because at that given time, Obia follow no. Sisi Obia go train say Black will be releasing the EP.
Yeah.
I think go be releasing your money, but Obia train Black, so no be releasing the EP because Sisi no trendy. Solid point, marketing wise, M1 Amado, but Amado seem to have achieved nyope. Because from what information I know, in my diary was say track 1.
My diary, no.
Yes.
Then my make a
yes.
Okay.
And then I was angry track, but team needs to know. You find many Black on any day. And track 1. So who knows? Maybe they are achieving something, but marketing wise, no. Mwa Amado. But sadly, with the normal ICDB, when you feature.
When you say marketing wise, M1
marketing wise is a latter part of when a record label is looking forward to sign you, and then maybe you submit your works, okay, and I say they do their own research behind closed doors, and then they chance on this song.
Yeah, is for the singer.
Exactly. It's marketing wise now because most of these record label, fine. Most of them work based on recommendation. If I may recommend, they say, oh, Roland is very good. Brass and Roland to sign Roland. You might tell me, say, okay, but work your research behind closed doors. So if they chance on this song as a say, okay, this the song trainer about Amado Manungoti, and then they listen without knowing Amado's voice, without knowing his face, they might think it's Black with the hair. Your friend say, Amado. That's the whole thing. It's the marketing wise in it there, Amado, but maybe he's achieving what he wants to achieve.
Well said. Still on Soraya's statement on Amado and Black Sheriff. We are asking, do you also agree that really and truly the fact that Amado allowed Black Sheriff to introduce the song is not helping him in one way or the other? Soraya is suggesting that if you do this, you are more than selling your birthright to the guy who started the song. She wouldn't do this. Showbiz Daily, Sammy Flex TV, as well as on Kingdom TV. Mamin call Nana Regana Mizan say, "Onoso sa point we are Soraya ayeno. Onene agiana emano."
Not entirely. Let me say it like that because I understand the technical thing a person points here. So we be ankamu arrange and sanka. Amrado the ane be Amrado verse be first answer na be Black obey yen intro room and be bet. These things oye the yan won't me yin fi enyum set sanya mari be say DJ Khaled on for several times e won enyum liberation. Ebu Okrapa on the intro now, no be any dimpe no more. DJ Khaled, another one.
But that is enough.
No.
So identify your
wait. Because Soraya said the same thing. Say even if he was going to allow Amrado and Black Sheriff to start, and call your wedding dimpo. She stated that in the story. So your wedding that okay, this is Amrado. Like about out and son of Black Sheriff voice and cry.
I don't know what. Younger K. Is it
No,
this,
also the design of
It is part of his signature.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So if it is part of his signature, then it is the same thing she wanted him to do. Just say there people are not so familiar with the younger, no? They know Amrado, and still now you are not satisfied. But why? At the end of the day, technically he put on the signature first before Black Way. You see, now Zola can be Emra you me say idea. Black no universe kwashe third. Now we have 4 versus scrap na one yes stronger still now this thing will happen. See time now you period now you that is what is going to happen. And there are instances ankophobia or Joy B ne sakode this song here sakode ko jani shamodi.
Yeah.
I forgot the
Yeah, code. Street code.
You see, it was Sarkody's verse that was trending, but Enuka Pam Bantam. We had grab a verse, this guy. Your friend is saying
Molly. No, it wasn't Molly. It was
this. I don't have a very figure Kim Promise.
Okay.
Answer Kim Promise verse. Yeah, my Joy B. Bumka Sarkody, but still. The whole talkability in one I was about Sarkody's verse. And none of them trendy. Me for me, I think say era na a woman no. Sa nyama we no, it doesn't affect artists plenty, sir.
Okay.
Especially when people are streaming their songs, you know who deserves what royalties. When you say any pass me see there, people streaming those songs. And I don't think say when they go and they are going to search for the patient song, they will go and mention Black. And the arrangements of how Amaya and Yomuno song. First song, Abotre. What is the meaning of Abotre? Abotre is patience.
Yeah.
And to make crap, someone desire Abotre and crab share number 2 can come. So now, yes, I'll be disappointed. Because the title of the album should be first. And then give us that story. Now you want to tell us about the EP. And so for me, I think the team did a perfect job by choosing the Abotre song as the first track on the EP. For me, I think it was the best.
I see.
But we know the lame people now. Ye need trend. Oh, then they trendy. And no more because Black verse and one trend no. Black dini be room team be afena. Before most Black dia we Amrado nyomono. Sa we know sa conversation in the baby. But on you can say on paper party it is not going to take anything away from Amrado. In fact, it's going to even make him win more. Say and you way to pitch chatter. It is not just because Amrado here BB so it is because of the talkability, the commentaries that is going on around this same thing. Say ebi na no so akota na right now, imagine on that platform obi crapo nyante say oh okay enyom no kra enyom ben na so right I can want then let me go and check it out. When the person goes on YouTube and he or she is checking it out, it's in the advantage of Amrado, not Black Hole necessarily. Well, it's wins in the do na be kwa Amrado. Okay. Do the example now set you know ABC once in a while. Ebia obi at BB. And this time crap won prebe so we can say oh mate artist BD like a professional record label. Oh mate artist bidding to say Amrado in a meeting you be for na you share like they will come and play your song before they will judge you and they will mess it say oh ebia because as far back as I think 2013 or say somewhere, I took a song to BBNZ. They wanted to sign her, and meeting, you know. No more kasan someone following from X Factor say is it X Factor? Yeah, or more following from Sasho na more be showing videos na so the questions they were asking us, it wasn't as if say they didn't have details of or information about or more answers in but they just wanted to confirm certain things from the girl. No more fan confirm or more way or more. What I say, record labels need example no state was story ni mu no for me e wo e basic cry be 1 out of 100 bi and as instances na you be say esi but sa conversation say oh obi beti enyom na say dey na abas beti na one day be na ka say oh onya show bi na omuni say one particular song bi obi di akoko flake o menim say akoko flake ni wa any kwesiata yes sa instances ni dey beti ni esi for the song we beti me say oh me say me put black or me show so na be for this particular song nti but e be obekomo obe wie eche no say no enyom na enye black o dia amrado dia sa anya man ni bi na beti me say be sa record signing in dia I doubt
I think some years ago my days at Plus FM, something happened when Guru went to, I think, Gabon to play a show. At that time, Rough and Smooth had this big song, Holy Ghost Fire. You know, that song, Guru started it. When the beat started, Guru, see you, baby, we far from home. At that time, the people in Gabon, they only knew that catchphrase. See you, baby, we far from home. So when Guru was going to Gabon, Rough and Smooth told Charlie, the guys have called us that they want us to come and perform this song.
Yes.
Please, when you get there, don't perform this song. We know you are on it. Guru was featured on the song. Yeah. It was not for him, but he started it. Yeah. Guru could not stage. Show ya banner mouth for poo. No requesting. Play, send your fire, need that to move. DJ! See you, baby!
Hey, Jatofie!
Hey!
Jatofie!
Bullet!
Hey, Jatofie!
That day I'm shooting a bullet near Guza Guru near. Cafe is an Akobekuna Sagita. That case. So in this case, for instance, if Amrado, now I know the new boy, they allow performances. Yeah. But if he's not giving such a thing to Black could never be honestly, I know knows here too. And now Black was sheriff for performance. What put him to do an F5? That's your money bear 30 minutes. 8 5 now.
No crap put demand.
Aha. And also another disadvantage.
No, make us say.
Yes, I best.
Yeah. Some instances.
Best no more. Or no best the company. The song we are done. So yeah, as much as yes, the song is winning, all the coins are coming to Amrado's account now. There are some areas say if a brother doesn't think about you, he might end up misbehaving.
With that example, I think it's a BC between Bandy Boy and Nifani.
Yes.
Bang.
That is any funny. Well, a discussion, and that's how we learn in this our space. When issues come up, we sit like this, we judge, we trade ideas, and at the end of the day, we pick what will work for you. So maybe if you are an artist manager, next time if you have to go into such a discussion with any artist, ask yourself, say, Mima may ban in Nikaya and I remember back on any kind. Roland Amate will end this discussion for us. Then we look at the very last story before we wrap up. Ro, it's Maminya opinion, One Soraya, Ayadriana, One.
Fantastic observation from Soraya. In fact, a very key, and I must commend her for her observation. But Nyama we know a two-way street, especially in our current dispensation. I see it to be say a more of an advantage than a disadvantage. Looking at the artist in question, Amrado. That is one person was thriving from. Memphis said no tiema dia bedu or titi ni morema. Yes, yet Nsem was big, but it still did not get the response ayi nyina nka Yesu say. Yes, e benyano. Nke nyaya nka yet Nsem was that big like if said Black Sheriff nyom. Because we all saw the kind of effort any worker Oputu into such.
Let me share something with you. Do you know even Oshe and Yumnekra thumbnail Black Sheriff making that?
Yes. Yeah.
Look at this.
Exactly.
Yes. And I mean, even the thumbnail of the video on YouTube. Black Sheriff in Kwan.
Yes. Wow. Until looking at where he is coming from, or you be he it looks as if what try be beer. What try be beer selling his image, selling his face, selling his talent, his performance and everything. What try be beer on all the possible big stages of being what try Amrado try be beer. This is his last card. The last card on I don't know. And in an era, you say when you release a project, let's say an album or an EP, people are more concentrated on. We are all looking for ways to market such projects. And how do you market it? You give people what they are familiar with. Let's look at Sarkodie Mugi's Baby. I winning award. Mugi's dominated the song.
Yeah.
In fact, play the song right now and look at where people would sing. Sarkodie was hard on the song, but it was Mugi's verse and now Mugi's contribution that made the song big, no doubt. Amrado has tried everything. I'll be to this was his last card, and in an era, Yehu say a man for the Omunyumama Kwame Eugene, whether performance right or whatever right, and the guy, the moment the artist performs the song, it add up to your numbers. Amrado has no choice. In fact, his team has no choice. Only need choice be yes, they can choose to arrange the song that will suit Amrado. I don't know a bit dominating even with introduction and whatever. Where the example are not Surya citing. Yes, they can arrange the song like that. But let's ask ourselves, why voice na wa man for asun sisia? Why voice na man for timi relatives? I tell you, says it was very strategic. In fact, Amrado and his team knew perfectly what will happen. But in an era, Omo try be nothing seemed to be pushing. No, they have to take that risk.
And they
Yes,
need something like this.
yes, they will go for it.
Maybe I can black or
In an era when somebody like Kwame Yogurt has Kwame Yogurt sees when you know as Harry days. Yes, yes, till M5 for him to give a song to Kwame Eugene, for Kwame Eugene to and looking at Kwame Eugene there for him to get the acceptance, we will do it. That is the era we find ourselves because nothing seemed to work. Why would you bear the we must win anyhow because Kiddy Touch It of the Golden Boy album is the biggest song on our EFS streaming platform. But let's a nominal album it is Touch It that is selling the song. So if Patience I know what Black Sheriff image is going to sell and unim Patience air cost automatically some few numbers will also touch the other songs on the project. It is a Patience and a Black Sheriff. Am what we are looking for, the kind of recognition we are looking for. So be it. Yes, we know say at a point it is going to be a disadvantage. But let's weigh the advantages and the disadvantages and see how best it is going to help us. We know there is going to be a disadvantage. In fact, when Black Sheriff and Amrado are built on the same platform, on the same show, it could be a disadvantage to Amrado. Yeah. But then, it all depends on how...
If you get Black Sheriff, he perform the sermons and give us our treatment.
Exactly. Yeah. Because on the intro, it happens. So it will depend on the conversation between Amrado and Black Sheriff. It could be a disadvantage to Amrado, no doubt, which is what Surya is citing. As for the record label example, there, me I see it will say it will only be applicable to somebody, maybe an upcoming artist that on chair or system name like Amrado. On maybe a Becca so then ye Becca ye by such instance. But for somebody who has toured in the industry or was so many projects at his disposal, the couple of my manager, you can't use this against him. The only time a bit me when it comes to performance, and when they are all built on the same platform, and then they be a bit me a little disadvantage. Other than that, when it comes to streaming and him winning in terms of the image, the numbers, and where in our current dispensation numbers ne winning there. He has no other choice than to give the song to Blacko. Let him blow it so that he can also chop.
All right. Yes. Information over the weekend, Blacko performing about 3. I think the UPS is still
He started performing the song already.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe that is the agreement they have.
Captain Planet ne Kwame Eugene ya body. He left Kwame Eugene to do a video, just like Amrado left Blacko to do a short video just to promote the song. That is the strategy. If it is going to let us try.
Maybe that is the agreement.
Yeah,
yes,
they have that
it's selling for him.
All right. So, what do you also think about this? Black Sheriff, Amrado, Patience EP, Abotre song. The fact that Black Sheriff seems to be dominating the song na Bonnie and na Enya Bonnie, Ebiana also Oni Soraya Yadrin. Oni Soraya Yadrin, let's talk about it. On WhatsApp 0243514732. Same way you can be part of the general conversation on YouTube, Samiflex TV. Subscribe to it and let's do this. It is called Showbiz Daily, live on Samiflex TV here on YouTube as well as on Kintom TV in Ghana. Now let's look at our very last story. Now here is a bit to me. I'll wrap it up for today's edition. First, new Edubiase Football Club. Say Omoya is smart. Omoya is smart. For now, the fact that they signed on Kojon Kansan Lewin as their brand ambassador, they seem to be winning. I can tell you for a fact, say, if for the matches ahead of them, all their appearances, say Kojon Kansan be Pimu, at least they'll get some numbers. If not for anything, their home matches. If not for anything, their home matches. I've done my research. Maybe say na Kojon Kansan board na ya ojine jine bunu kan ambassador de sanka ojine chire. Na de na ya ojine jine su Kojon de nimbo kakra. Enti as part of the ambassadorial thing no, omo bought some celebratory matches in fact celebration matches near the jine no about some 10 minutes be. Kojon also per ball kakra no so like or flag kakra or debate na boom. So for now they are getting the numbers. Last weekend, and I'm introducing you our players for the new season. On the day our players introduced no match, friendly match. Kojon Kansan Jesse Bejinemo. The numbers were very impressive. Now I'm asking that, should our football clubs in Ghana, we know they are struggling with numbers. We know the numbers are very poor. In fact, Yen de Cretino, the numbers for our football clubs very, very poor. Obekona football teams me nupa e bone e yi line bekona nipa 10 dabi na den kare football e bia ka busu ni ba kunya na tinhwen eno klasa ka bebro sa but ever since new Edubiase FC almost signing Kojon Kansan on as the ambassador OPP or your appearances be no look at the numbers. Watch this. Now Mr. say should other clubs emulate this? I think Legon Cities they started something like this, right? And they also started winning big. They did not sign the artist, but what they did was that before Mebo show piano, no Mebo match piano, no pay artist be about some 1 or 2 in Kechebi. Omuko break be no about no performing 15 minutes be. Then the match continues. Omunya numbers, yes, Daniel show. And open the hand. Omuko fanfare now still. Ever no Lucy. And open the program on pay. But in the case of New Edubiase, are they winning? Should other teams emulate this quickly before it's too late for them? Let's watch this. Last Sunday, one of their friendly matches with Kojon Kansan on the field. All right, so that was scenes and sound from the site of the particular match. Etimi Ashrebino, New Edubiase FC. My investigation tells me that Sunday number match I'm going to introduce players for the Premier League ahead of them. And Kojon Kansan featured Jesse. Ebi mumpo adweyom say that signing Kojon Kansan both team ni bi daddy. Kojon Kansan both team ni bi. Team ni dey omuntimi.
So she just said you
Say on continuous player. On continuous
player body.
Quick one as we wrap up. Is this worth emulating? Should other teams steal this idea quickly?
That's I think say a 50-50. Yes, it is worth emulating. In fact, it is a very good strategy. Looking at the fact that last season, no more relegation, no more division. The name how division is tough. And even Premier League, the teams in the Premier League, the main league in the crown, are struggling when it comes to social media and numbers online. So if strategy omutimi fire way, na and then and so far so good. Some boss some introductory match where I'm sure said just like you said, people were confused in the role whole setup in Now people know say aside being ambassador, he stands tall when it comes to even the playing body. Feature and so even if because team ne free the elite division division 1 in crown, some people would not love to go and even watch their matches. But of course we need some people who have love for Lewin. Say just see how and used to say no sa picture ne be paint you amount for 3 mama obi kra boy other matches be kra no obi kra be say oh Lewin Meshia Lewin and now Lewin bebo so let me just go to the field and support the team. It is a step in the right direction. Other teams can also emulate, and it doesn't mean say also convert a known person or another celebrity never sign into your team. You can partner with them just like Kenata. We have so many people who are ambassadors of even the Premier League teams. Our more campaigning more. We have some for Kotoko. Haas will be, Bechem will be, Olympics will be. Our more boosty, or more social media following. When it is match day, you see them tweeting. Some of them, which is why last time I think before the passes in ND and Kasakwadie was even engaging in some of these social media, especially when it comes to team normal social media handles, especially Olympics. Among social media be fun. I'm truly rough. Until yes, other teams can also emulate. Legon City starts here, but lose a car woman. I'm sure that is one of the reasons that scare some of these teams off when it comes to the charges that some of these celebrities are charging. But then, so who bet me now? Shana sa strategy when you bet me our team in terms of online numbers, because it is not going to give you any benefits on the field. It is only going to boost your numbers online. So if time where you move across the guitar world, no, you also want to capitalize on that and also give your brand or your team a very good image online. These are one of the ways I'll be to me faso. You don't necessarily say over science normal sign cancer. You can also partner with the celebrities. If you do match there, they can either wear your jersey, tweet about you, talk about you online when they go on platforms, and it is going to help you.
I see. Zola, trust me, I'm still on Kojon Kansan Lewin and his deal with New Edubiase FC.
Okay, so brother, before I touch on deal, no, now last night maybe somewhere platform they say sports
entertainment. Yeah, I must say boxing the entertainment.
Kickboxing could be
a football could be, but boxing, your poor being man and animal prime about, so that is your entertainment. You are a beast.
And I don't know football, so challenge me.
Yeah, but the idea is not the Chelsea. But boxing there from day one night, but penalty will be not tough.
It is still the same.
Football, anytime I'll be based on accidents.
That's how I walk over book me. I'm more you saw.
It is still my entertainment. They have a problem.
I think in our sports space, I think we are getting something wrong. with this attaching celebrities of entertainers, musicians, actors to our clubs, just because of numbers. Okay.
Getting the numbers is wrong.
On social media, after the numbers, what else? We are complaining, say, a football terrain more how we seek him. And then Umas Castle they could sign entertainer as ambassador for the club. Whilst you can invest that amount of money into the playing body for them to be happy and get some. See, out there
at this stage, Zola is talking like a footballer.
No, that's I
know. That's what I'm saying. Like you are talking like one of them.
Yes.
Maybe someone within grass give me this.
No, if we were only players now.
I said we are the cockot.
Yes,
I said we were the cockot.
If only players no more ball last season, most of them were even complaining of hunger, and then you take huge sums of money to sign Kujim Kasa, even if we want 500 CDs, but that 500 CDs can do something for the players of more club or something. We can play various matches with you understand? Yeah. See, out there, Abuchi, these entertainers, these basketball players, they rather invest in the clubs. They rather invest. There's this basketball player, I think, Liverpool.
Yeah.
They rather
our shares.
LeBron James.
Yeah, our shares.
They rather invest in the club for the playing body to be happy, to give you results. Lagos City did last season. They failed because they invested so much into these entertainers and then they were not getting results. Why were you getting the results? Because even if Uchiao players need good input, Sasika and then the players are not performing. That's the kind of they come and entertain can beef up the squad for you to win. Winning now, and never boost team numura. And yes, so many numbers. Okay, after social media numbers, they know Lagos City had so much numbers last season than any other club. I stand to be corrected, but they were struggling. Relegation can almost struggle.
Relegation.
Yeah. Almost struggle, Rasami. So I think that in as much as you revive your football in this country, I think that they are getting something wrong. And your entertainers, it's about making the playing body happy. Because if Miniaji, now me come me bomber club, now me quite. But me say Miniaji, say me bad area. Yeah, now boys need who say oh no good mood na me ko match. Definitely boys grab a bass on abehwe and then also your numbers. So we go to entertainers. Koyun Kwanza will not add up anything to their performance. No. Engineer because on for money training. You wouldn't add any technical advices be to the way or any answer. And then look at this. Say if boys need training for not or bad training grounds. Seriousness never here.
Sure.
Oh, Brasami, oh, Benjamin. Yeah, seriously, fine. About training.
I think
that. Yeah, Ashanti on the side.
Okay.
What's on the side?
After Formina, okay.
B. Ashanti region. Okay.
So I think because Sekoyon can do training grounds. Obena is also special with Alpha Boy, the IBB and Microfassery. And then the attention. Players need to see.
Producer, but I find it. Yes, sure, mommy. Google knew it to be as their home grounds. Now,
so if at that very moment, no your players are in a serious mood of motion, some technical things, be a bomb on the field and winning, we be a. Obedu Penom, Obia best to attention to go young because of our baby. Even if for a musician, Obia best to attention, you have a training. It's already a players in Impone or some to me Konya in Africa or some come with they have to wait because Kojuan Cancer will win Abba. I'll say any bomb come on. I'll say any championship.
Because I saw some footages because time no more bubble. So book first half you almost point almost even after second half I would say almost bomb pie and son no close when they were about to pray he was granting interviews so they had to wait for him, call him grass say so never name bomb pie because he was part of the team.
So I mean it won't add up anything. Your numbers. But what of the playing body? Has any other clubs are not doing this? They are investing in their players. That's what I mean. Players in the here, playing body in the here, and yet these celebs. The celebs should rather buy shares or invest in a club. And yes, I am aware of here. Yeah.
Osiwe Ehuhia Kra. That is what Zola is saying. Nana Reagan, 5 point. Yeah, person ABC. Roland Wakasada Dana.
Yeah.
Okay, Nana Reagan.
In common way, they can DB pen. Now, maybe can say this sign, it's to the advantage of Kojon Council and not necessarily to the club because when I make people say players in the once a team be when the poster boy. See, the Omo, club not taking away the poster boy of the playing body need to Kojon Council. And he say, okay, say, you can say a corporate body wants to sign a contract with you in the name of a particular player. Now we need a poster boy in Libya. It means they have to sign in the name of Kojon Council 11 and player bia or what minimum bia that motivation individually own motivation bia to play or to die hard for the club, which will be at a loss to the club. Yes, on social media or on the playing field, nobody can from Kojon Council she say Bobby. And no cry and gun high with Brassam for how long?
Okay, so the new Edibias is a small town. It is the capital of Adansi South, a district in the Ashanti region of Ghana. It was formerly called Adansi East District in the Ashanti region. Okay, into Kronani new Edibias. Yeah. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right.
It's more as good for park.
Okay. As good for park. Linkley Sports Stadium. Okay.
Until a year, set clubs in a Ebenya strategies are already be catching attention, be an somebody be numbers be, but they should sit down and then draw the plan very well. Club need be winning 100%. It shouldn't even be 50-50 with anybody. So yes, what New Edibiase is doing, for now, no ABS engagements, name, commodity, or New Edibiase, and a better bet. And then by the end of the season, almost say, what are we winning? What are we going to get out of this ambassadorial delay? Kojon Council, Timishen, Jesse Manable friendly matches, and I say be unofficial matches, and then a debate club. And how is it going to motivate the players? And I say the playing body. May a honomana make us say me worry a crowd because you see that 11 players now and at 23 players man squad now on the league, you need to motivate. Now Zola can be. You dey imagine say sika omo dey assign Kojon Council living come chemokra say 5 and omo yes okay yes start the season you person a motivating playing body they say omo win first 5 matches there is ask and by your salary your mon chendi
winning bonus
first 5 matches brother me on say
Champions League
final league table so akabo say New Edibiase on that third crown called the second and now be
some first
5 matches
Kojo won't take anything less than 50,000 Ghana.
That is the issue.
Anything less than 50 Ghana.
That is the issue. Yeah. So if he is taking such amount of money, now on contributing share to league table now open now. Then you are not achieving anything at the end of the day. And anka playing body, what source of motivation? Okay, you assign ambassador, you assign away. Why just ask away? New Edibiase should be able to tell us and then motivation or the man the players. Almost somebody me Gina Park so I can say, hey, director say, manager say. The any house idea, wallahi talai. Any kotoko idea. Any as good idea. These are the fans now benyano bebre no you see fans no doesn't enforce it MOB mbe fan. You don't demand it. Say oh we are popular and make train and followers ni na but abi Kojon Council level followers no half for kotoko for liberty for mo leader omo njai medi New Edibiase because of say wa sign Kojon Council level. It won't work like that.
Yeah.
I like Kojon Council level as an actor. Me ye kotoko ni New Edibiase sign will not force me to change my team. And I said the club that I support. So how are you going to get the numbers? Make the club or the team attractive. No mun bobo yi, omun yo mun bobo chen bobi tibi Now you be saying is number form so no bobo say no then you be winning the people genuinely kakaka like that then also ba be to say house of folk or more fan ba be to say kotoko more supporters sa na wo say unye team no na ekoba na say we yenye fans na kakra be do mrebu no unya sika fans sign celebrate obejai ujai so peno na say why cost 90 wo so better ba be one here better ba be si wechi without them will be
that's one chi
bibia enti omo motivate players no players ni key one are there kotokofo the young players this pre-season because this of pre-season can be who be that do go Dubai go she Dubai be some days akoye training about matches with Dubai yes
yeah mo go Dubai 1 week Saturday about Africa Saturday about Africa Now you're Africa. I
love Morocco. I'm going to come from Morocco and I'll do this one. Strategies now depend numbers need but among drone year among planning kum one say me say on they say how you kotokofu club am me need do multiple and yes you the way moye interactive or Twitter krama me feel say my main family home
but I think not the same thing say for you know but someone employ bia on your social media skills and on the national I'm a tweet national or let it be is it not the same thing
no
with
if they employ Roland say on Twitter handle or manage Twitter handler we will not be spending as much as yes I know Kojun cancel
but I think we should also get something right because when they announced Kojun Cancer signing they did not disclose any amount but when
you don't even have to know how much to know there is a money doing it
we don't
Dubai hey I go back actually ya share we na your friend is
I'm almost some source of motivation. You won't say I'm on first match.
No, confidence can bomb.
Yeah, on first match. I think it's 85th minute.
No, confidence can bomb.
Yes,
because we are not quite.
Uncle be there, brother. Man, you say be wow. Be there. 85th minute. Within 80th minute, no match at 3 goals. Yeah, and I check. I say be who Kotoko. Ya shena. Wa bet. Have a 2 and a 3 more ding. But nyama we kaka bet me motivate you motivate the clubs in the best say signing I'm not saying I'm not condemning or saying say ambassador don't but the mo best signing ambassador mo fam ye winning bonus in my players clubs work Ghana aka ye ntuo mo ka yie e big 200 Ghana ni na players ni big 200 Ghana 300 500 then ye ntuo players ni ka yie etubo team fun bia wo Morocco ni no munya chance ko she Morocco no mo ko mo mba biem etubo me ye fa sika kakra na ho no ye mfa hihye mu na motivate you so okay say am get 500 bosumi bia bet me ko bo match bia at least winning bonus 1000 Ghana be da all train etubo me fa ni den mbo enti esa na o bo ni den na o de bo club no so crapo sa abo na ho because team no say akwai na ni edi obobo ye pa na Kotoko for me enko sign na fe Real Madrid bi wo na Chelsea bi ba kakra sa na wo su team na because Chelsea and I say man you can so ba be sign new edubiasi player be sure say team manager we
I don't subscribe to the fact that boys next start to share go 1 2 3 pe na mo de Marco Chelsea na mo de Marco mo tran kru mo bo ni kaka
mo bo ni
kaka I was having this discussion with someone I think minim say hard na na mo landing na boys can start Obo goes ni gum 1 2 3 ade be chia se gbenen gbe
Mohamed Zidane Egyptian player Onu free or elbow England on. Not some of the Egyptian players on your national team. Omu bisan say I don't know about England because they don't understand. Sikana obo England now watching. They are taking the same thing in Egypt. Abu Trika. Yes.
It is a scan by year.
That's I mean England is
boys labor no must start show na mudium question better number.
No, the thing is that we have to.
That's what I believe.
The thing
look at the people we work with here. Everybody is growing in his zone. Everyone said, "Nena, they are rich. Any nani the corner phobia." But happen on so. That's how I started.
FIFA. No, at the end of the day, say be a team. In fact, say coach team and a division team. Now player few team. Ebi a kokotokwa. Transfer fee no. Aside Sikana or charging no percentage, sell now TT player. Now FIFA has made rules. It even goes down to coach team or TT player no. So now when you even see the player in top leagues, Krawa Bruchila, know that the coach team coach now not TT.
If we continue to do it like that, how do we also grow up?
It is because
I mean, if Sika you bet me grow the youth. You bet me replace Germany. Even your modern German machine. You know what they did. Invest in the juvenile. Yeah. So the
for Germany to win this World Cup, it was about 20 years
juvenile, and then it's because of structures beyond the age, because private company be a work country, you must invest in a club.
Okay.
Now they are bringing back
the discussion here. But whatever you think about this, you can also drop your opinion. Do you think the team made the wisest of decisions in signing Kojon Cancer and Groma as their brand ambassador? Not place, no, the second Thanks to Zolanie. Of course, if you want to do any music business in Ghana, event, if you contact Zolanie, he will surely sort you out. Not mostly Mutim, no, me of Instagram. What's it from? Creative.
Create Ghana.
Create Ghana. Yeah, I think I saw you guys. Very beautiful setup. More office for Thanks to Roland Reports on Instagram as well, Showbiz Channel and Event Guide Africa. Nana Reagan is a blogger, writer, Sammy Flex TV. Let me say thanks to the Guitar Rasta, Currency, Richie Flex, Lapiji, Tina Baby, as well as Gideon Neil Lamteson. My name is Sammy Flex. Remember, I've told you we are giving you something new on Sammy Flex TV. It is called the Flex Court. Let's say a same way at the Beko Court. We are out of here.